Hi there, boys and girls. How are you today? How are you, Miss Michelle?
I'm well, Aggie. How are you?
I'm good. Yes, I'm Aggie here at the Morrisville Public Library, and I'm here with Miss Michelle, and we are going to talk about... What are we going to talk about?
What are we going to talk about? Well,
Yeah.
we're going to talk about lots of stuff.
Lots of stuff.
Lots of stuff.
Okay, go.
Okay, go. Okay, this week in story time, we continued our theme of Dr. Seuss since Dr. Seuss's birthday is in March. And we did Mr. Brown, Can Moo. Can you?
Great story.
It is a good story. It's a book of wonderful noises, it says here at the bottom. And it is. It's a great book of wonderful noises.
I can make noise.
You can?
I can moo.
You can moo?
Moo.
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 Moo. So Mr. Brown, this gentleman right here in the brown shirt and brown hat, he can make lots of different noises. And this book challenges you into making the noises with him. So it's good times.
Did it work?
It did work.
Did they make the noises?
The kids made lots of noises.
Good job, boys and girls.
It was great. And I've read this 17,000 times, and I love it every time because I've kind of memorized it and can do all the sounds, and it's also fun.
Yay.
Yeah, it's good.
Good job.
Yeah, thanks. So to go along with our noise theme, we made noisemakers.
Those are so noisy.
They are so noisy. They're crazy noisy. Good afternoon. So we put beads in these fabulous bottles, these recyclable bottles that I made the staff save for me. So they've been stuffing my mailbox full of water bottles.
Good job, MPL staff.
Good job, staff. You rock. So we're reusing stuff. We're not just recycling it, we're reusing it. It's pretty awesome. So I made the kids use their little fine motor skills, their little pincher things happening, you know, to put beads in the bottles. And then Miss Michelle's on the way to Crazy Town, and we used glitter.
Glitter?
We used glitter in story time. Yeah.
Wow.
I know.
Most
Nuts.
librarians won't go down that road, Miss Michelle.
No, they won't. They won't go down that road. And I myself do not really like glitter that much.
Really?
I don't, because it gets everywhere and it stays there.
Yeah.
It stays there forever.
You're
So,
very brave, Miss Michelle.
Thank you.
Because kids like glitter.
Kids really, they do like glitter.
Not all of them, but as a general principle.
As a general principle, yes.
Yeah.
So I was kind of going outside of my comfort zone this week and using glitter. And we didn't have any glitter mishaps. Yeah.
Good job, boys and girls.
I know. They did a really great job kind of keeping it contained to the table.
I love MPL kids.
I know. They did such a good job.
Yeah.
I was kind of, you know, about to have a heart attack every program. But it was okay. It was okay. So we can breathe deep now. The glitter is back into the cabinet where it belongs. But
Yay.
they had lots of fun. So, yeah, and I glued the tops on. Moms and dads.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, don't freak
Yeah.
out on me. We did glue the tops on. Mine is not glued on, but the kids were, you know, they're glued on. So it was good times. And
Yeah.
then we did a marching song with these. So we marched around with our noisemakers and made a ton of noise, and it was great.
I bet they like that.
They really liked it.
Yeah.
Because we're in a library and you're not really supposed to make a lot of noise, and I told them it was okay.
Yeah.
So they were very excited. So we did that this week, and I actually wrote a couple of blog posts on my blog. It's missmichelle@mpl.blogspot.com, and I wrote a blog post about letting your kids just go crazy with art supplies, and not allowing yourself as parents to get in the way of them making whatever they want to make. So
That's very important, Miss Michelle.
it is very important.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because you want your kids' stuff to look nice,
right.
but you don't want them to think they can't do it.
That's right. Yeah, you want them just to be creative and do what they want to do. And if the man that they drew looks like a penguin, then that's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. Moms and
Yeah.
dads, I promise. It's very okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. So, so go to my blog and read that if you wish. It's very interesting. At least I think so.
Excellent.
Thanks. Yeah. So we did that book this week, and then tomorrow is a Ready, Set, Read. which
I
is
like Ready, Set, Read.
I like Ready, Set, Read too. We do Ready, Set,
Kids
Read.
learning to read.
Learning to read, yes. So on Select Thursdays, we have a program called Ready, Set, Read. And this week, we are going to be doing some listening exercises. And kind of, some people might say, well, Miss Michelle, what are you talking about? Listening exercises. You're trying to teach kids how to read. Well, listening is very important in learning how to read because you have to listen for the different sounds in the words, right?
What? Just
Right.
kidding.
Yeah. Thanks, Aggie. You're a goofball. So we're doing listening activity, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass out sheets of paper to them, and we're going to have a bag full of stickers, like so.
Wow.
And
I
will-
like stickers.
I like stickers too. I think kids really like stickers. So what we're going to do is I am going to give them the stickers, and I'm going to tell them where to place them on the paper. So they have to listen to what I have to say and the directions that I'm giving, so they put them in the right spot on their paper.
I bet they'll be good listeners.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Very least. So I hope that they have fun with that. But yes, listening is very important for reading.
Yes.
So, and I found out this week because someone brought in some flyers to the library that a certain school in the area, a university, if you will, not any of our Mooresville schools, one of the universities in the area is offering a class just like Ready, Set, Read in the summertime. Yeah.
Wow.
They
Are you going
are.
to teach it?
I wish I could, but no.
Oh.
But it costs a lot of money. It does.
It does?
It does. And you know what? Parents, you've already paid for this class, so you might as well come to our class instead,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So if anybody has any questions about Ready, Set, Read, or any of the programs for that matter, you can always email or call us and let us know.
Awesome.
Yeah. So anything else going on, Miss Aggie?
Nope. Just a busy day at the library.
It is a busy day at the library. We've got a lot of people in here.
Yeah.
So we probably ought to go, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Well, I hope you have a great week, boys and girls. We'll see you soon.
Bye, boys and girls.